गोंय कस्टम आयुक्तालयान सोमारा दिसा अंतरराष्ट्रीय कस्टम दीस मुरगांवां मनयलो. मुरगांवां जाल्ल्या कस्टम दिसाच्या कार्यक्रमाक मुखेल सोयरे, मुरगांव बंदराचो अध्यक्ष रमेश कुमार, कस्टम आयुक्तालयाचो आयुक्त व्ही. सौदाराजन माचयेर आसले. बरें काम करपी कस्टम अधिकाऱ्यांक कस्टम दिसा निमतान प्रमाणपत्रां दिवन तांचो भोवमान मानेस्तांच्या हस्तुकीं केला.
All these things, we are ensuring compliance only to contribute to the development of the country. We actually play a major role in the development of this country. And this country, you all know that yesterday we all celebrated our 71st Republic Day. And 70 years in world history is a small, span of life. All the Western countries have developed. It took almost 4-5 centuries for Europe to see what it is today now. But India is still being a nascent country, and from 1947 onwards we have come up a long way. And we can't simply brush aside some of the major achievements that we have made. Many of you may not be knowing that India is one of the 10 countries in the world where the cost of education is very cheap. And at the same time, we have not compromised with the quality of the education. All our IITs, all our IIMs are on par with any of the international reputed institutes.
Inter-organizational, interdepartmental coordination, which at some points of time is felt wanting. Maybe more such occasions are required where we understand the compulsions of one another, the needs of one another, and work in tandem rather than work for cross purposes. Not till long back, one would understand what GST was, or is rather. But today, GST is the buzzword. Probably, most of the officers sitting here would have not even read even during their trainings or have been trained with regard to GST, the way in which it is contemplated today. But today, the role of Customs Department vis-a-vis GST is really a challenging one, and